Hey, it's Arie here. Hopefully you're doing well. In this video specifically, I want to talk about why I joined Easy1Up in 2020, or I guess you could say 2021, since that's kind of around the corner at the time I'm filming this. I want to talk specifically about why I joined Easy1Up and why you might consider joining this program as well if you are someone who's completely brand new. Maybe you've been trying to do this online marketing stuff for a while and you haven't really gotten that first major breakthrough yet. Or maybe you're just completely overwhelmed altogether and you're just like, well, where do I even begin? So I want to talk specifically about why I joined this program and why you might consider joining this program as well, and how it could, of course, help you get that first major breakthrough that you're, of course, looking for, right? So before I really dive into things, if you like these kinds of videos about affiliate marketing, online business, creating passive income online, make sure to subscribe to the channel down below, hit the subscribe button, and this will be notified whenever there's a brand new video right on this channel, right? So I'm always putting out videos about how to do affiliate marketing, how to grow an online business, and how to create, passive income online. So if you enjoy these videos, again, you can subscribe down below, and this will be always notified whenever there is something brand new, right? So I want to talk specifically about Easy1Up now. What exactly are you getting when you decide to become a member of Easy1Up, and what type of products do they have to, of course, help you get, better results, right? So Easy1Up, essentially what they have is they have e-learning courses or different training programs about how to market online, about, how to, market your online business, how to, become a powerful promoter. This goes over many different, methods that you could use to build your business online. And with Easy1Up in particular, they have different product packages ranging anywhere from $25 all the way up to $2,000 that you, of course, invest in. And one thing that I like to just mention right off the bat, there are no monthly fees with this program. So when you buy one of these product packages, you basically own it for life, and you never have to worry about paying any sort of, monthly fees for that, right? So you could join anywhere from $25 all the way up to $2,000. And depending on where you decide to join in at, you will get access to a certain amount of training that you, of course, go through. And you can go through it, on your own terms. And they have different videos in here that covering various different methods on how you, of course, grow your business online, right? So let's say, for example, that you want to learn how to use YouTube to grow your business online. Or maybe you want to learn how to use Pinterest or Facebook or Google Plus, or if you want to learn how to build a website or blog, they have training in that as well. They have training about solo ads. They have training about, they have different mindset videos as well. Traffic secrets, email marketing, affiliate marketing survival. They have a money counts business building course right here. That's a really cool live seminar that is in here. They've got training about Snapchat, social media, Reddit, LinkedIn, Instagram. So as you can see right here, they've got training videos pretty much covering just about every method that you could really think of to really build your business online, right? So whatever it is that you're looking to learn online to, of course, build your business, whatever strategy that is that you're looking to learn, they have it inside of here, right? So that's really what makes Easy1Up really great, is it has something for everyone. It has something for the everyday person that wants to learn, one specific strategy. And look, you don't have to go through every single video in here. Obviously, there's just a ton of videos, and they're always, updating this as well. But what you could do is you could pick one strategy that you want to learn. For example, if you want to learn how to use LinkedIn to grow your business, you could simply go through that video right there, and that will, of course, help you get up and running with using LinkedIn traffic, right? So just to give you an idea, if we log into my Easy1Up account, so here I am currently on the inside right here, and if we go to the product section right up at the top up here, so we go to products, my products, I could simply click on any of these product levels. So for example, let's do like the, the Vertex Pro level right here. This will bring up a list of the different videos that you can consider going through, right? So they've got, one video right here you could play. They have, the different, videos laid out here. And you could simply just, click on any one of these videos and, you could simply watch that video, right? So this is looks like a mindset video, which is about 22 minutes long right here. So pretty, decent length right here that you, of course, go through. And again, you can go through all these videos pretty much on your own terms and, decide to learn, whatever it is that you want to learn inside this program right here, right? So now that I've gone over exactly what the product is all about and, what makes this, really great in terms of the product, I want to talk specifically about the compensation plan, right? So in terms of how you could potentially make money with this and how the affiliate program actually works, right? So what's really nice about Easy1Up, and the reason why I decide to focus on this as my primary vehicle moving forward as of right now, is because Easy1Up is one of the very few affiliate programs out there that pays out full 100% commissions, right? So when you decide to become a member of Easy1Up, you could simply promote any of these product packages right here. And by the way, just something else that I want to mention right off the bat. You could use this training inside of Easy1Up to market either the program itself, or you could take this training and you could apply it to other businesses as well, right? So if you are an affiliate of something else as well, and you want to learn how to promote, other products as well, you could use these exact same strategies to market pretty much any affiliate program that you're in, or any network marketing company, any biz op, whatever it is that you're in right now. You could take these strategies and you could apply them, pretty much elsewhere online, right? So, but when you decided to promote Easy1Up, what's really nice about this is it pays full 100% commissions, and the other benefit is you get paid those commissions instantly. Now, this is one of the very few affiliate programs that I've seen out there that actually does this. In fact, there's been plenty of other programs that I promoted myself. And if you've been in the affiliate marketing space for any amount of time, if you've ever promoted products online before, and if you've ever made any sales anywhere online, chances are you typically have to wait, 7 days up to like a month, or sometimes even a little bit more than that in some cases, before you could actually get those commissions, right? So in this case, you can make anywhere from $25 all the way up to $2,000 per sale, and that is a commission that is paid out, pretty much instantly, right? So when you refer someone to, for example, the Vertex Live level, that is a full $2,000 commission that you're getting paid out pretty much instantly, right? Now, let me ask you this question. If you can make, and look, I don't want to, make any sort of income, any, guarantees or whatever like that, or anything along those lines, right? It really comes down to, your results that you get with this program or any program really comes down to the what you put into it, right? So whatever you decide to put into something is always what you will get back in return. But my question to you is this: if you can make, let's say, for example, 1 or 2 of these sales every single month, would that make a difference in your life? I really want to, of course, I'm curious to know that, because I know for most people, if they're just getting started, this would be a really great starting point to getting, these types of commissions, pretty consistently, right? Unless if you're already doing, pretty well in other programs, which in that case, you might not be on this video as of right now, right? But, just really think about that for a minute. With this program, you don't really need that many sales to really, make, to really get, that great results in the long term, right? And I want to kind of compare this to, some other programs out there, right? So with a lot of other affiliate programs that you decide to promote, you find a product on, for example, ClickBank or Digistore or JBZ, one of these programs, right? Or something like that. You find an offer, and typically it works like this, right? You get a sale, and you might make a commission of like, for example, $50 or maybe like $100, or there might be like a few products out there that pay like, around $500 per sale. I have seen a few on Digistore that pay like $500 per sale. Now, my question to you is this: if your goal is like, let's say, for example, an extra, $5,000 per month, right? $5K per month is your income goal. You're looking to hit this every single month, because this will be just enough for you to, pay rent, fully live on your own terms, not have to clock into a job, and you want to do this full time. If your goal is $5,000 per month, how many sales do you need of a $50 product to get to that, $5,000 a month goal? Well, if you do the math, for example, if we pull up our calculator right here, calculator, 5,000 divided by 50, that is 100 sales that you need of the $50 product that you would need to get to $5,000 a month. Now, even for a lot of, seasoned veterans out there in the affiliate marketing space, getting 100 sales consistently every single month is pretty challenging to do, right? So for that reason, you ideally want to stick to products that will pay you more, big ticket commissions. So for example, if you are, promoting something that can pay you up to, $2,000 per sale, or maybe you can get like a few $1,000 commissions as well. In this case, you would only need a small handful of these commissions to get to that income goal, and that is what makes Easy1Up so unique and so great. Is you're getting these commissions, and it's paid full full 100% pretty much instantly. So that is what makes Easy1Up stand out from a lot of other affiliate programs out there. And like I mentioned, which I think I mentioned already a few times, is you're getting paid the commissions instantly, right? So there is no waiting for commissions to be paid out, and that is really what makes this program so great. Now, I want to talk a little bit more about the compensation plan right here, right? So like I mentioned, commissions are anywhere from 25 all the way up to 2,000 per sale. All right. So your very first sale that you make, at the level that you come in at, goes, 100% to you, right? So you get that full, 100% commission. Now, compared to a lot of other, business opportunities out there or network marketing companies, typically either the first sale that you make goes up to the sponsor, or you have to pay like a certain percentage to the sponsor, and then you make like a very small commission. But in this case, the full commission is going to you instantly, your very first sale, and the second sale is known as your passive sale. So this is kind of where the the 1UP name comes from. Easy1Up. The second sale that you make goes up to your sponsor, right? So that is, of course, how they make some extra money by, of course, helping you out, and that is why it really benefits you to help your members to replicate exactly what you're doing, right? That's really important right there, is duplication inside of this as well, right? So your second sale goes up to your sponsor, and then from that point forward, every single sale that you make is 100% commission paid out to you instantly. And I don't know if I mentioned this yet, but with Easy1Up, you could choose however you want to get paid. You can get paid either through Cash App, Stripe, PayPal. You can get paid through Bitcoin. If you have your own merchant account, you could use that as well. That's another really great benefit with this exact program right here. And as you can see, there's just a ton of benefits to becoming a member of Easy1Up. So as you can see, it is a pretty lucrative program that you could, do pretty well with if you, of course, are, taking action. That's really the most important thing. And, in my case, I want to share a bit of an interesting story in terms of why I got back into this program. So in my case, I initially got online around May 2017. So kind of around that time, I was, just completely brand new. And it wasn't until like at the end of 2017 was when I first joined this program. And funny story is kind of when I, first joined this program, I kind of made the mistake of just, kind of dipping my toes in the water. Didn't really fully take this program too seriously in the beginning. I was kind of, buying a few clicks every now and then, jumping to all these other things. Thought the grass was greener on the other side type of thing. And, in my case, I had a very tough time getting that first momentum going, right? So it was, kind of hard for me to fully understand because I didn't really know what I was doing. And the sponsor that I initially joined under didn't really have the best suggestions in terms of how to effectively promote the system and really get those long-term results. Now, in my case, it wasn't until just recently was when I decided to fully join this program again. And for me, what actually changed was I seen lots of members having really great results with this program as of recent. And in my case, I joined through a system called the Profits Passport system, which was created by David Deacle. Unfortunately, at the time that I'm filming this video, it is not currently available because of an update that took place inside of Easy1Up, but that is where I initially joined through the program. If you've been following that for any amount of time, you know that that was, of course, converting very well with this exact program right here, right? So that was when I initially joined under that. And there is actually another marketing system that I've actually come across that is actually just as effective, called the VIP system. And this is created from another member inside of Easy1Up, known as LJ Viles. So he was actually one of the guys that got, started around kind of the time when it first became popular. And he actually made a post about this, actually, pretty much talking about, the update that went on and exactly, why David Deacle decided to close the Profits Passport system as of right now, right? So I believe he is currently working on like another like updated version that will allow you to promote the system as well. And that kind of brings me to some of the bonuses that I want to give you when you decide to check out Easy1Up through the link down below, right? So the very first bonus that you're going to get from me when you decide to join from the link down below is you're going to get access to whatever system or systems it is that I'm leveraging to, of course, promote Easy1Up, right? So if you're someone who is completely brand new and you're like, well, how do I build up sales funnels, or how do I do email marketing? You're not going to have to fully learn that if you don't want to do that right away. You can simply leverage exactly what's working. So whenever David Deacle decides to launch a new funnel, you're gonna get access to that, as well as the VIP system that you could simply leverage. And this is currently being updated to be fully compliant with Easy1Up, and that way you don't have to worry about it potentially going down anytime soon or anything along those lines, right? So that's the first bonus that you're going to get access to when you decide to join through my link down below. The very second bonus that you're going to get is you're going to get access to the YouTube selling system, right? So if you ever want to learn how to use YouTube to generate high quality traffic online, this training right here is going to show you exactly how you can do that, right? And this is the exact traffic source that I used to grow a profitable YouTube channel up And this is actually what has gotten me my very first major breakthrough online, right? Was by creating videos pretty consistently. And that is known to be a very powerful traffic source right there, right? So, this is the next bonus that you get. But you might be on this video thinking, well, I don't feel like creating videos. It doesn't really seem like for me. And if that's the case, no big deal whatsoever. That brings me on to the next bonus, which you're going to get access to is Facebook ads training, right? Now, Facebook ads can be a very powerful method to get high quality traffic if you know how to do it right. And the problem with Facebook ads is that it's very easy to get your account banned. You can get your ads disapproved at any point. And that is exactly where this training comes into play. This is training that shows you how to use Facebook ads without ever having to worry about getting banned, right? So very simple step-by-step training. You could simply check that out right here. Next bonus that you're going to get is the massive traffic formula. So this goes over how to use solo ads to get high quality traffic, pretty quickly. Next bonus is you're going to get access to the massive ManyChat profits. So this is through, Facebook Messenger. You could simply automate that, which is pretty cool. Next bonus is the ultimate Facebook chat mastery. So this is basically, another really high quality traffic source where you can, of course, reach out to people, build up connections that way. And this is a pretty great way to start getting high quality traffic very quickly without having to spend any money. That's what is really great about this traffic source right here. You're going to get access to some email swipes as well, hypnotic storytelling, the most important ingredient for success, as well as how to create a crystal clear vision for your future, right? So if you really want to ensure long-term results with whatever you're doing, that is what this bonus is going to be very beneficial for you for. And then, of course, you'll get access to the Facebook community, which is always good to have that additional layer of support right there, right? So if you're interested, of course, learning how to get the best results possible with Easy1Up, check out the link down below. Check out the exact system that I'm leveraging as well. And also, when you decide to enroll in any of the levels down below, you will get access to all the bonuses that I shared on this video. Now, one more thing that I want to mention real quick is when you decide to join Easy1Up, I highly recommend joining at the highest level possible that you can. So I always recommend go a little bit above your comfort zone, and this way you can ensure the maximum commissions possible, right? So if you only join at, for example, the $25 level, well, that only gives you access to re-promote the $25 level and get just $25 commissions, which is okay, but not really the best for the long term. And if you really want to really set yourself up and be positioned to get the big commissions, is you want to come in at the $2,000 level, right? So anyways, hope you got lots of value in this video. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and take care.